your way. Boy, how your mindset so bad, then your plans them blood.
know
Them
that.
your own way. Tired of the waistband, them who a live off friend. Never try to
Preach it, brother. Preach it right now, brother. The money has some big waste, man, that get live for your friend. You see me, I say, yo, that go forward from work, what I did, you know, no brother over here, the brother could sugar. Trinidad, them for no say with Trini Bumbuckle Bell. Bad! Right now, people, you was on subscribers, the reaction boss is in full effect for you. Right now, I have a song called Stop Pre, artist name Journal. Yo, people, Journal, people, no ready for that song name Stop Pre. See right now, say if you're a pre-bad mind, don't pre no bad mind. If you see a man that go film thing, people, don't pre, make the man go film money. I'll put the money I got in the one. Boom! Yeah, me say no man. Go follow the man for Instagram. You see me I say at journal_soca101. You see me I say song master that mixed by Stick Man Beats. Big up yourself for Trinidad. You me say man, go go for the song people. So you like one. Comment on this video to see your comment next video that I post. And I post every single day, right? Numerous times for the day. We're back in effect. Reaction boss. We know the thing go. We know the badness go down. You know what? Run tune then, no man. I don't run tune it. You know I'm not ready to it. We're not ready to it. We're not ready now. We're ready now. Run tune.
Yo, Journal.
Alright.
Them dead. Lows. Sponge. Stop pre-man for the things.
Yeah.
Man work hard. Selector. Select.
Well and pass. It's so nice the man come from mash up the place, you know, people. It's so nice a big band is gonna go down right now, no people. People open have no like button ready, you know. I'm open the fire emoji them ready, you know. I'm open to go check out the man on Instagram and YouTube too. You see me, so you can find the song link down below in the description in the pin comment section. You me say ready? Ready? Move open ready like Freddy, you know, dog. A dog man say, you know, run tune.
Message. Everything me have, yeah, me give them. Tongue to the shoes and me feed them.
Yeah.
Everywhere me go, me a see them. Push a keyboard, backspace and delete them.
You know the people have everything you give them your last, you know, that you support them to the fullest, you know, and them still a pre, yo. And that me get from me like already. And if you stop pre people. If you are pre somebody you have bad mind, don't do it. Stop pre people. You me a chat to. Don't pre somebody if you are pre them tappy. You know good for you. Run the children and tell them to stop pre people.
Oh yeah, there's a pre me for me things never work in a life and I think me things feeling.
You know what?
Man have to work all day and I collect the checks and the trend boy life and a bed and a roses. If you now work then you a star and you not have you keep on your clothing.
We couldn't even go to job up and go up pan. Now for us. My life on a bed on the road. Yo, pull up his song. Yo, talk to them.
Yo, Journal.
Stickman.
Them dead. Lows. Sponge.
Stickman, pick myself.
Stop pre-man for the things.
Stop pre-man for them things, you.
Man work hard. Selector.
Ready for them now, no?
Select.
Ready.
Everything me have, yeah, me give them.
What else?
Tongue to the shoes and me feed them.
Okay.
Everywhere me go, me a see them. Push a keyboard, backspace and delete them.
Boom.
Oh yeah, there's a pre me for me things never work in a life and I think me things feeling. Man have to work all day and I collect the checks and the trend boy life and a bed and a roses. If it now work,
Dad, you know hard you have to work for your thing, brother. Look in there, brother. You work so hard, right? Look at it, check it out. Paint a picture for you. Man go school much years and tell I work so hard for you back him like school money. And you see the man I go rap the man, dog. You know lad, the man no film thing, dog. Bumblecleat. Man not so hard to make it put on the tube like how me I do right now, dog. And a man I go see me and bad mind me, dog. You know that, go? Bumblecleat. You talk to them.
what's up and you know have Louis V on your clothing. Man I just have to stand up all day. You know we can pray and I want to go your way. Boy, how your mindset so bad and your plans them blood.
know
Them
that.
your own way. Tired of the waistband, them who a live off friend. Never try to
Preach it, brother. Preach it right now, brother. The money has some big waste, man, that get live for your friend. You see me, I say, yo, dog, you fall from work, what you did? You know, brother over here, the brother could sugar. Yeah. Preach, yeah, preach. If you tell them to waste, man, they will live off a friend, dog. Like, work for what you want, brother. Same opportunity me, I get it there for you too, brother. You're not cripple. All done to cripple people at work. You're not sick, and not to sick people at work. Bumblecleat. Run you.
Money, them all live my life, but them afraid of the pure sacrifice. Me, I go take any hustle me a find.
Yeah.
Now me head me a see dollar sign.
Nice.
When me push the pens, the rims I go shine. Know that the keys in me hand like a man.
Yeah.
Play on your phone every day, waste of time. But even Super Mario and man I make time.
I have to explain that part that you know I'm just said to you a while ago. I have to explain that. I have to explain that to you know. You on your phone every bumbleclick the other war. But there's sometimes I'm on my phone. Go invest in some bumbleclick that you can make money from your phone. You still don't play a game. You're a big man youth. Do big man things from your phone. Not just texting girl. Not just making pum appointments. The thing that's needed now, that's what I mentioned to you. Have to make pum appointments so you can release the stress, you know. Me not be fun when I say that a while ago now. You did me I say, you have to make your pum appointments. Yes. But every phone can do a whole heap of things. You can't play a game and make money after that. You can't play a game on your phone and make money. You can't invest, you can't do forex, you can't everything by your phone. Go feet, that the man make you tell. I'm telling you right now, brother. You not listen to the man. You not listen to the man. People. I want to play a song at daytime, nighttime, in the years. I want to listen to the song, dog. Listen to the song. Listen to the song.
Boy, life on a bed and a road.
Alright.
In a work, then you a
On
stop.
a
And
bed.
in a app, all in on your clothing. Man a desktop, stand up all day and open and pray. You know what it's going your way.
Yo!
Oh, your man so bad, when you're passing them flat, you have to carry your own weight. You see the things when me have you a free them. You see the gold and beer and money to spend.
Sure.
Balenciaga, Gucci on the weekend. We are being at the club a roll of the blend.
Valencia, what? You know how to have to work for them things, yeah? What do I have to work? I know Balenciaga this. Oh, what is? Man, I sure to say, yo, life are not better than a roses, youth. And that the man I make you know youth. You have to work for what you want. You run the tune.
Do not whisper in my ear, they want me cement. So me have to fill up all the holes with me cement. Any gang and any chance me take off any ends. Stop shadow man and gal they start see them. Boy, life on a bed and a roses. If in a work, well, ready was starve and look in a apple, look on your clothing. Man, I just stop stand up all day, and I hope and I pray, and I wasn't go your way.
You mean?
Yeah.
More people listen to the song and that, but yo, I'm serious. I'm saying I want to play a song. You see me, I say, just the woman on the board, play a song all I'm mess. You know, if you say nothing now, go on for your youth, you know, drive, go and work. I say, yo, me no feel for go. Turn on that tune, brother, listen to that tune, all I'm mess, brother. You see me, I say. Well, I'm amazed and say, yeah, dog, you have to work hard for your thing, brother. You hear me? Much as you see me do YouTube right now, me nah, man, none from YouTube, dog. Me I sure to say, yo, me there work sometimes, dog. I'm saying, look how hard enough to work for my things, dog. Me say, I'm boss sometimes, brother. Life hard, dog. More people realize, say, yo, life not better than the rules, as my boy saying them song right there, so, brother. You see me, I say, Journal, go check him out, people. Song called Stop Free. You see me, I say, when we can find it on the YouTube channel with him, Stickman Beats. You see me, I say, link down below, description link pin in the comment section, go check him out. Dog, mountain the press again, dog, and I look at it and say, well, I'm mates and say, yo, I show him attack. You hear me, I say, just want to take that from it. And, you see me, from me too. Me know, so to come for the late reaction, if you come enjoy yourself, but at the same time, if you want, well, I'm mates, see song there. You hear me? Big up on yourself, it's been a boy, Tyre Blacks, aka The Reaction Boss. Thanks for checking out my video as usual. Please go check out the artists again, as I say. Instagram, journal_soca101. Go check him up on Instagram. Go follow me, make him a Reaction Boss. Number. That's how I'm big up the whole Trinidad, big up the whole Caribbean, big up everywhere. Everywhere. Peace.